in a position, serious face.
3, 2, 1.
Check it out. What's it all about?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel.
We're going to the garden.
Everybody say something at once.
We have a lot to say today.
We're going to the garden.
That's right. We're gonna go to the garden later today because it's Uncle Dean's birthday, and you can see Mom is already back to the cooking network here, getting some chicken wraps made up.
Yep, got this recipe from Pawpaw. Everyone loves it, so gonna make it for Uncle Dean.
It's basically pretty simple. It's just chicken wrapped with bacon and cheese and jalapenos inside. And then, of course, the chicken is all dressed with ranch dressing. And then, of course, later today when we get to the garden, we plan on testing out my air cannon for the very first time. Well, we've tested it 3 times and it's failed 3 times. So hopefully today will be a perfect test and we'll be launching all kinds of things through the cannon. And as always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button right down below. Give us a thumbs up if you make it to the end, and we'll see you guys over at the garden. You almost high-fived right off the chair. Alright, I'm going to give you guys an update on Franklin. If you guys have been following our channel long enough, you guys know Franklin's the baby cow that the mom didn't want to feed Franklin, so we had to step in and give him a big giant baby bottle and things like that. But he's growing up really nicely. He's getting bigger and bigger. Seems like he's falling right in line inside the herd. Time to get the party started and start grilling. We're gonna start cooking some hot dogs, hamburgers on that grill, and then we're gonna do the chicken wrap right here on this grill so we can smoke and keep those flavors inside and make them extra juicy. The thrill of grilla. I'm here to grill. I'm here to what?
You lost me. You married.
Those look flame broiled.
That one for sure.
This is why I'm usually in charge of cooking.
If you watch the past vlogs, you'd know that's not true.
That's also true. Chris is a chef and has always done our cooking, but he let this one get away. That's okay. I like them extra crispy.
Yeah. Dunk.
What's up, guys? My name is Michael Gajowski, and this is the egg toss. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. All right, this is our last test of the day. We got we have a little egg in the bottom of the canyon, and Josh down there is gonna try to catch the egg while Chris shoots it.
Come on, receiver.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, didn't go as far.
All right, so if anyone's interested in this air cannon, we can tell you guys how it's made. We can do a DIY video for you guys.
$400. We'll make you one.
Yeah, exactly. But essentially, it was just us sitting around with nothing to do with our time. We essentially were like, hey, let's make an air cannon, because who doesn't want an air cannon? I think every boy growing up has always wanted an air cannon, especially after you go to a basketball game, you see them shooting t-shirts. Leave us a comment right down below if you want us to do a video of how to make one for yourself, or give us a thumbs up, because it's super cool, obviously. Food's done now, time to go eat. I'm getting hungry, but we gotta get the rest of these guys off the grill. Let's take a look. Ooh, that's some good looking chicken wraps. Happy birthday to you. Man, I'm the winner. What a fun day we had yesterday. It was a really good party. As usual, everyone shows up for our fun parties, it seems like.
All the usual family.
Yeah, had a really great time. Got to test out the air cannon. Seems to be working quite well. I think we'll be having that here in a couple of our videos coming up, so stay tuned for that. We'll be showing other ways we can use the air cannon, shooting all kinds of other things like tomatoes. But other than that, it was like we said, a really great time, and
Welcome back, and we have plenty more for y'all coming the rest of this year.
thanks for checking in. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe right down below, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.